Ya Allah. Nih mana nih? Hmm. Mm, 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 mm. Oh ya Allah. Ngantuk ya? Pagi-pagi udah ngantuk kayak lu. Mana kita mana? Sini. Ayo, bisa yuk. Pemikum.
You got something to say about it?
Mikum. Ya ampun.
Trust me.
Ya. Ayo,
Okay,
kita
where are we
lanjut
going?
lagi yuk. Lawan zombie.
Know what they used to mine all around these parts? Yeah, mercury or something. That's right, cinnabar. Extracted mercury from cinnabar. Folks back east think it was gold mines out here and silver. Not so. Back in the early 1900s, cinnabar
Enak
was
banget
worth
nih.
more than gold.
Sekarang udah bannya
Operate the mine, you need
setelah di-upgrade.
TNT for expansion, blowing out new tunnels, clearing cave-ins, that sort of shit. And to own TNT, you had to register with the county. Keep copies of the keys to all your lockboxes with the commissioner. Wait, the county courthouse? Where the hell is that? Thought you knew. It's in the old federal building. The old federal building? The one in Sherman's camp? Jesus, Mike, what the hell? You told me that you were never setting foot in that place again. Did I? I don't recall. You were drunk right after Joe was killed. Did I tell you why? No. Here. Turn right here. This is it.
Lah, aku kan udah pernah kesini. Zombinya udah clear kok.
Mike, the place is gonna be crawling out of here. This is good. Other holes will be safe enough. Right there, the old federal building.
Ini dia yang waktu itu beberapa hari yang lalu, 2 hari yang lalu, beberapa hari yang lalu ya, yang ku nyari pintu masuknya nggak ketemu-temu.
Where are we headed?
Kananku ada ya.
You know where he is? Where his
Bocil pala lu, bocil itu banyak gitu loh. Kirain aku yang bocil-bocilnya gitu loh. Kananku bener.
Only two got out. Me and Noel. It wasn't the freaks that took us out.
Banyak juga loh. Bocilnya di atas atap. Bocil zombie demen banget di atas atap.